Welcome back to Transforming Stories. Today, I share one big solution for all problems in life. If you want to know, watch the video till the end. World's best coaches Kristen Michelson, Susan James, Antony Robbins, Bob Proctor, everyone recommended this solution because problems are common to all of us. The problems may be different, the intensity of the problems may vary, but they are common to all of us. They are inevitable. Let's see one such problem like, we regularly see a rift between friends, family members, rift between relatives. Then just ask or create a question. How would he solve this problem? What would he do if he were in my shoes? Sometimes you get tempted to admonish somebody. You get anger with. You shout at. Then ask yourself, how would he handle this problem if he had it? Most common problem or the most common complaint, not listening. Children don't listen, staff don't listen, wife doesn't listen. It's quite common. Then just ask yourself, how would he make someone to listen if he had it? I'll tell you, who is he? He is the person whom you like the most. Yes, he is the person whom you like the most. You learn from him. His actions speak volumes. Example, for Swami Vivekananda, he is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Whenever he encountered a problem, he asked, how would Ramakrishna Paramahamsa solve this problem? Then he got solution. For the famous American president Theodore Roosevelt, he is Abraham Lincoln because whenever he encountered a perplexing problem, he used to lean back and question, how would Lincoln solve this problem? He got so many solutions for the problem. For a son, he may be a father. For a student, he may be a teacher. Friends, for you, he must inspire you. And remember that in every problem, for every problem, you ask a question that starts with how. Because you trained your mind in such a way that when you ask a question starting with why, it gives you reasons. When you ask a question starting with when, it tells time. But when you ask a question starting with how, it provides solutions. You get solution. You get number of solutions. It's your choice to choose a solution for your problem. And it really works. You believe it. It really works. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest notifications and comment down below. I believe it works.